Hello everyone and welcome back with me with this Android Studio installing tutorial. So in this video I will tell you the best way to install Android Studio and also create first application in Android Studio for beginner. This tutorial will be very awesome for you guys to understand. So watch this video from start to end. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So first Google search Android Studio, click on the second link. The official link will be open, so download the Android Studio if you have 64-bit on your PC. If you don't, try installing IntelliJ IDEA. If you have, click on the first link and agree to the condition and download. After downloading, install the application. After that, click on next. It will be same as you are installing setup. I will just fast forward. Click on do not import option because you have first time installing Android Studio. Just follow the step. You can select. This is the program very important for Android Studio, so it will take lot more time. So I will just fast forward. So first we need to set up our Android Studio. Just follow the step behind me and you will understand what you need to install when you first try to install Android Studio. Just follow the step, nothing more. SDK tools are very important for Android Studio. Just click on the link that and click. We need to download this. Just accept and next. It will take a lot more time. If you have good internet, it will talk little less time. I will just fast forward. So start your new project. Click on the empty activity. Next, choose the application name. I will just choose demo application. As you as you see the package name, if you have website you can write down here. If you don't, just go with com.example dot your application name. The third option is save location. You can save your application on any location you want. And there is a language, Kotlin and Java. I will use Java language. And suitability of Android API, select the any you want. Just click on the finish. It will load. So as you see on the bottom right side, the tools that required for Android Studio will be downloaded here. So it's going to take lot more time, like half an hour or more. I will just fast forward. Be sure to have good internet when you install Android Studio. These latest version are very tricky. So next thing will be emulator. If you have Android phone, it will be easy for you. Just plug your phone and you can select any image. I just selected Q image. Latest will be good, and you can write any emulator name if you want. I will just write my name. Like I said before, you can also connect your mobile as well, and uh, you just need to on your debugging if you want to use your mobile as the emulator. So without wasting any more time, let's create our first application. This is going to be very simple. This is in design view. Just drag and drop your button. So we are using constraint layout. This constraint layout is very latest and very useful for beginner. You just need to constrain in top, bottom, left and right. So we need a plain text, that means edit text. We can write anything on edit text, and also constrain edit text as well. On right side, on left side, it's very tricky. Constraint on button on bottom side, constraint on top side with text. So it will go in between them. So we don't need name for our edit text, so we'll just delete this, and we need hint just to show the name. We need to write here. When you write the text on edit view, the name will goes out. So what we are going to do in this application, when you click button, the name written on this edit text will be shown on this text view. So let's just change the id. Let it go. So we need id is very important for our Android project. If you just follow my step, it will be very easy for you. This is going to be our back end, and this is our front end. It's just to show our screen how it looks. So when we click on button, what is going to show? So for that we need to create our method first, Java method. If you know about Java, it will be very easy for you. If you don't, it will be very hard for you. So we are going to click there is a method for activity main XML, that would be on click method. Just follow the step. Right now we created a method. For now we need to get our IDs from activity main. For that, for text view, we need to first type data type, that would be text type. And variable name, we can take any variable name. Just I will take official name like text view is equal to find view by id. We are going to get id from activity main. So this is how we show on backend. We cannot directly use it, so we use by this code. Edit text as well, you can take any variable name, find view by id, r dot id dot and our id here we have written here like this. We need to write this one. You can see we also written these ids on our front end. We are taking these ids on our backend. So this application is very simple. We just need to set our text view. We need to get value from edit view and set text, set it on text view. So after we change the text view, how will it looks like? It is for us to decide. Text view dot set text, and inside we write our text, like what kind of text we want. So we return in curly braces, double quotation high, and plus point views that we are concatenating to text. It's from Java. So we are getting value from edit view. First we need to write edit edit text dot get text. After that toString, you will understand after what why we write toString here. So let's just start our emulator. Let me show you how you can use your emulator. First it will build our Gradle, then install on our emulator and launch our application. So guys, if you like this video even a little bit, subscribe my channel. So guys, please subscribe my channel so you may watch my next video. Thank you.